Hello and welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Grace and I have the pleasure of showing you around this beautiful 23 model year Aston Martin DBS Superleggera Coupe finished in Aston Martin Racing Green. Let's take a look around. So starting at the front of the car, this car has a carbon fibre front splitter. It also has a rear diffuser, which we'll have a look at later. This car also comes with a black exterior badging pack, which includes both the wings and the Superleggera script on the bonnet. It also has a side fender badge, which is DBS, and then we also have the rear script of the Aston Martin at the back of the car. This car also has black forged twin spoke wheels, which really enhances the lovely yellow caliper and the carbon ceramic brakes behind them. So moving down the car, we have a really great contrast between the thirds of the car moving from the floor upwards. So we start at the bottom with the black wheels, we then move on to the body colour of the car, and then we finish off with the black exterior body pack on the top third of the car. The black exterior body pack includes a few features such as the window finisher, the mirror caps. We also have a black roof and we have some side grills as well, finished in black. Moving on to the rear of the car, as I mentioned earlier, we have a rear diffuser in carbon. We're also having a paired spoiler with that. We have smoked rear lamps and a satin quad exhaust. So we are now in this stunning interior of this DBS Superleggera. So let's start with the seats. There's an awful lot going on with them and they just look phenomenal. So we have onyx black leather, which can be found throughout the cabin. They are contrasted superbly with the electronic yellow stitching. We also have geode quilting on the seats, which are shown all the way up, and they actually match the ceiling as well. The seats are perforated, which means they're both heated and well ventilated. So if it's too hot in the day, you can put some cooling heat through the seats. Moving on to the center console, we have a carbon fibre surround of this waterfall here. We also have a sports steering wheel, which is both leather and Alcantara and actually matches with the Sports Plus seats in the cabin. We also have a satin chrome jewellery pack which surrounds a few areas of the car in the trim inlay and also on the doors as well. And finally, we also have B&O sound system in this DBS. So that concludes the walk around for this lovely Aston Martin DBS Superleggera Coupe finished in Aston Martin Racing Green. This car is a stock car available here at HWM. If you'd like to learn more, please give us a call on 01932 240 611 or please visit our website. Remember to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.